Hawaii. Representativo, gusto nito umayon o gusto nito kapatid.
Naayos sa mga Nanoy sa 10 ng umaga, February 4, 2012, sa Turi Municipal Police Station, at nasasakupan ng hukumang ito ang nasabing mga akusado na noon ay kusang loob at labag sa batas na nagsabi ng masama at mapanirang mga salita tulad ng kay Corazon Dira, hindi Adrian, tulad ng hindi ako matatakot sa iyo, ilalaban ito hanggang kamatayan. Mahilig ka sa habla, wala namang naniniwala sa iyo. Masama iyong ugali at mataas ang iyong pride, hindi ka nagsisimba, kaya walang naniniwala sa iyo. Di ba magtatayo si Dr. Salinasan ng gamutan ng mga nasisira? Hindi ka yata nakatulog. Naloloka ka na kaya magpagamot ka sa psychiatrist. Habla ka ng habla, wala namang naniniwala sa iyo, kaya pinasarahan sa aking Kapitang Raymond Handaan. At kaya nagalit sa iyo ang mga barangay officials kay niloko mo, na nagdulot ng matinding kahiyan sa pagkatao ng nasabing magkakasal. Ito ay labag sa batas. Ikaw, Cesar Mendoza, inaamin mo. Cesar Mendoza, ikaw, Diretso Balielos, inaamin mo. Diretso Balielos,
Quick order, both accused men are assisted by Attorney Dominguez Serenia of the Public Attorney's Office. We will not be able to be charged. Okay, please, Karen. Mark, please call the complainant. If we are granted in considered with human experience that accused should keep a gun loaded with ammunition in an architectural place, especially when there were children around who might become Bulacan in serious age. Because it doesn't serve to disregard the testimony of the police officers on the matter. The prosecution alleged that there were other things under the sink with the subject firearm what Alice found, and that after hauling out those things, that particular thing was a mess. However, the picture, marked as Exhibit G, taken immediately after the alleged discovery of the gun the life day. Aside from the firearm lying there, the picture depicts a neat empty space without the mess claimed by the prosecution. The picture does also show the alleged other things placed and kept under the sink, which were taken out during the search. The 14th judicial notice